Looking for great slow cooker? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best offers you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, see how easy delicious meals can be with the Black+decker 7-quart slow cooker. For roasts, soups, chili, and so much more, just place the ingredients in the 7-quart stoneware crock and let the constant heat go to work by Black+decker. Number 2, create delicious meals that fit your schedule with the Black+decker portable digital slow cooker with full chalkboard wrap. Just gather ingredients in the 7-quart stoneware crock. Then use the digital controls to set the timer and heat level low, high, warm. Another great product by Black+decker. Number 3, 3 heat settings: low, high, and warm settings for ideal slow cooker performance with every recipe. Built-in lid holder, keep countertops clean and stir and serve without holding the lid. The built-in holder props the lid conveniently on either of the side handles. For more great slow cookers options and real-time offers, just click the links in the description below.